Hello, hi, you are watching my YouTube channel today, people. Today I made a plan from Multan to DG Khan. I think there are just so many distance from Multan to DG Khan. It may be the 150 km. There are just so many distance during have a fast. It will be difficult for me. Okay, no problems because I have a wishes to go in DG Khan because there is some people used to say that this is a dangerous city of Pakistan. But you can see that there is a city of wheat, and I will show you my experience, how will be my experience to go in DG Khan, and I will show you. But if you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and never forget to press the bell icon. In Pakistan, some children are playing the cricket match and cycling. आ गया। आपके दांत किधर गए? दिखाओ मीर।
एक निकल है।
किधर गया?
ये टूट गए थे।
टूट गए। आप खाना कैसे खाएंगे?
साइड वाले दांतों से।
He has no front teeth. He's telling me that I'll eat food through the side teeth. Some children are playing the cricket match because the Pakistan is a big problem. He has no ground. Oh, six. Great, great. And they are enjoying and playing the cricket match in a street. If the country's ground are empty, its a hospital will be full. If the country's hospital are empty, its ground will be full. This is a reality. My journey has been started from Gujarat. This is a Parko. This is the main point of Pakistan. This is the oil center. If something's happening to the Parko, the Pakistan will go back 20 years because it's the main point of oil. This is a Kasba, Gujarat. Kasba, Gujarat is very famous because of the Parko oil. There is no population. This is a green area, Pakistan. Pakistan's weeds begins from here, which is a large area of Pakistan with weeds, which is surrounding by a weeds. This is a large area. There is no doubt that Pakistan is a beautiful country. Pakistan has everything. But some rulers are not good in Pakistan. Because of the ruler, the Pakistan is going on the wrong way. Unfortunately, the Pakistani government is not supporting to the farmer. They are living in simple life. Still, in the term of wheat, the Pakistan is 9th largest country in the world. River Sindh. There is the largest river in Pakistan in width. It started from here near DG Khan. This area is situated in river. river had dried up due to the winter. Now, summer has come. This river will start flowing again. Now we are crossing police stations. This area also situated in river. Some little cottage, you can say that. Here in Pakistan, the farmer family is not better in Pakistan, but they are hard worker. $25.70. There is a great wheat production in Pakistan. The most agriculture provinces of Pakistan is Punjab. I think almost 75% to the wheat production of Pakistan, and the area of Punjab is 20 lakh. There are two zones of Punjab, lower zones and upper zone. But now I am in lower zones in the city of DG Khan. One farmer is working in his wheat harvest. This is a raw material of sugarcane. I think 87 mills in Pakistan. After India, China, Brazil, Pakistan is the fourth largest sugar cane producing country worldwide. There are huge sugar warehouses here. Those who are in front. Bundle of thanks of God have reached in DG Khan. What's your thinking about Pakistan? Please comments, I'll forward you.